well. I've been attracting a lot of amazing clients, be it business or also be it healing. So I'm getting more quality than quantity right now, and the people are paying me upfront even without even without me asking them, which is the most wonderful thing. Where it used to take me 3 times the effort, now it is literally half or 1/10 of the effort. They come to me, they sit on my lap and literally pay me the money, and they're very happy and satisfied with the creativity that is being produced as well. So I'm very thankful for that. Along with that, I've become an amazing mother, considering how I used to be. I used to be really scared of, all the things, the smallest of things. I used to be worried if my kids went out, or I would be worried if they were screaming and shouting. So it's come to a point where I've learned to put my boundaries even with myself or my kids, learn to say no when it's needed. They've started respecting me a lot more. They've started understanding my situation. There was a point in time when I could not take meetings when the kids were around. They would always feel like you're not spending time with me at all.
Remember
But
those days, yes.
disturb me. From there to now, them making arrangements to support me. So I think that is a huge win. The way they're seeing it right now is a completely different. They know it's important for me. They know the healing is very important. Social media, they got attracted immediately, and they started calling me and talking to me about it. They took a little bit of time to understand what is going on, and at the moment there was so much trouble in their life, they were like, it is now or never. So I attracted all the international clients, only premium clients, and thankfully there are those people that are action takers and are ready to invest time in their own self. So, and it's come to a point where these people want to renew again, and they're already clear that they want to take 20 more sessions, or they want to also take certification now. And these are the same people that want to follow the same path. They want to get into certification. They also want to help people. So, seeing the transformation, they want to be a part of the system to uplift the consciousness of the entire community and the society.
So
So, for
Swati,
me,
financially, how
in a matter of 2 to 3 months, I started seeing a lot more one-on-ones, and the money has been seeping in from unexpected sources. So for
okay,
me, I'm very happy about that. I
probably
don't have to.
billable?
Cord cutting has been amazing. When I started the journey with Minnie, I remember I was doing inner child healing only. But then I realized there's something tugging on me. There is some kind of a toxicity. There's some energy that keeps reminding me. It keeps, I heal and then it comes back and back, back and forth and back and forth. So then I realized maybe it's more than just the inner child. And then once I got into cord cutting, I started to see a lot of changes. One with the mother-in-law, and second was with the husband, and third was with the kids, and finally it was also the parents. I have seen a huge change in my relationship with my parents, from not accepting or from always craving validation from them, from always blaming them, or asking them, why can't they understand my problem, why can't they see what I'm going through, and the entire world knows what kind of a strong, powerful person I am. Why can't they understand my pain? And then I realize it is that the toxic cords, or it is the energetic cords that is tied between all of us, and that is what is going back and forth. It's also a little bit of intergenerational trauma and all of that. So after coming on this karmic cord cutting, particularly, I think which is one step up with the cord cutting, that has really eased a lot. I've learned to accept them the way they are. I've understood, they have been through a lot, and it's because of that it's passed on to us. So I've made peace with it. I'm receiving me, and she's like financially supporting me without even me asking her. So it's a huge change. I think they're also initially they were like, "What kind of healing is this? You're still blaming." I said, "No, it takes time. It's not like it happens immediately."
Hi everyone. Today I want to talk about Sonam and Mini, who have come together as Sona Mini, and the magic they are creating in this world in terms of money. You know, whatever said and done, money is power, and money is really important. And these two ladies are not just healing people. The moment you enroll, so I'll tell you my example, what happened with me. I enrolled for cord cutting program, right? And the moment I enrolled, without even learning anything, without even knowing anything, without even attending any session, I attracted a client. That's the magic they create. It's just their pure energy. The moment you are with them, abundance has to follow. The only thing is your intentions should be pure. That is the key, right? And in fact, the other program I enrolled without even knowing what is it, right? The day I enrolled, I got a client, and that client paid me the exact amount I paid to them as a fee. So I don't think so it's just a coincidence. It's the magic, it's the abundance you get when you get into their energy. That's the energy they throw, and that's the magic they create. So yes, it's not just the healing you will get. If you want money, prosperity, success in your life, don't even think, enroll into their programs. If you want a one-on-one sessions, if you want to attend group sessions, do whatever it takes. But if you want true abundance in your life, they are your people, because they are the best mentors you can ever get, because they are not just healing you, they're transforming your life. And the way they support you, guide you, hand hold you like a baby, it's another level. Hi, so let me introduce myself. I'm Shweta. I started my career as a tarot reader, and then I found these beautiful ladies, right? They are the beautiful mentors you can ever come across, because they are doing something wherein, they are not just healing you, they're making you financially independent. And once you learn these things from them, right, they're there to handhold you, but you become so independent that money just flows into your life automatically, and you don't have to really work hard for it, because that's the lesson they teach you. That the orientation is like that, the from childhood we feel that we have to work really hard to get where we want to be, right? But they teach you how effortlessly, easily, right, when you learn and you put that knowledge into your real life, you attract clients, right, who are equally loving and grateful to you, and the money is the outcome. That's how easily money gets into your life. It's just that you need to be in touch with them, to learn from them, because they have the depth of knowledge. The programs are designed in a way that you get the overall holistic learning and healing from these ladies. And I would really recommend, if you really want abundance, money also, I'm talking about, not just the healing, the true transformation wherein your healing is involved, where money is involved, and you're effortlessly, naturally attracting a lot of clients, go to them, enroll in their programs, because they are here to guide you, support you, handhold you, and they'll make you so independent that you just don't have to then enroll into other programs. Once you are there with them, it's just done. You will be well taken care of by them in terms of everything you can ever ask from any mentor in India, in the world, I would say. So thank you so very much.
But after joining you, even just after the webinar only, you did cord cutting on money anxiety. If you remember, I just after a webinar, just next day I closed one client for 35,000. I was actually, in my mind, I had made up my mind to charge, but I was not getting that confidence to charge 35. That came just after your one healing session, and then I decided, no, I have to go for it. I was in dilemma because
and then Sonam came into my life. Sonam Mini both came into my life. We had a wonderful cord cutting wala attunement, and that day I could actually feel that the energy shifted in me. Like whatever I was feeling very low, and जो कुछ भी जितना भी बुरा था, I could see के वो सारा सब कुछ निकल रहा है मेरे अंदर से. And दैट डे लाइक 11 days हो गए हैं वो अनट्यूनमेंट को, एंड उस दिन से लेके आज का दिन है, एवरी सिंगल डे मनी इज शॉवरिंग ऑन मी. एंड आई डोंट नो फ्रॉम वेयर द क्लाइंट्स विच वर नॉट रेडी टू एनरोल, या फिर आई वॉज रनिंग आफ्टर बिहाइंड देम, बट नाउ I don't know from what the magic happened, and the clients are coming and approaching me ke bhai Khushi, I want to join in, and jo kuch bhi hame like whatever shift is that, that's amazing, wonderful. This cord cutting wala attunement was very much powerful, and it has made a massive change in my life, and these 11 days are just amazing.
I saw Sonam's, next cord cutting session. Randomly, I connected with her. Even before getting connected, she used to guide me. Whenever I call her or message her for doubts, she used to guide me on everything. Irrespective, there's no selfishness. Irrespective of however it is, she'll just guide me on that. Sana, you can do this and that. There was no reason for her to help me out, basically, but she used to do it. And I happened to have a connect with Sonam. And that morning I woke up, I told her, Sonam, I want to join this cord cutting course. And it happened like overnight, it happened. And since the time I joined cord cutting, it was only 2-3 weeks, I would say. After that, I don't know from where I got client, how people came into my life. And for the first time this April, I got like 1 lakh in a month. Till then, I have not earned so much in a month. I have earned 1 lakh probably in 2-3 months' time. Collectively, I would have earned that money. But after cord cutting, I got 3 cord cutting people. I did not promote anywhere. I did not tell anyone.